That's mine. But I have no one, so it's fine.
So today we are going to be doing our makeup with the products that we got each other. She got me the Morphe 25D Oh Boy palette.
And she got me the Profusion highlight and contour kit and eyes.
So let's get started. So I guess we're gonna do our face first. So primer first. So this is the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer.
Mine's the Poreless Face Primer.
Oh, you're supposed to do it like that?
It smells weird. So we got the L'Oreal Paris foundation. We have the same one, but I got this for Christmas.
So we're in Creamy Neutral. I got this before her.
302 Creamy Neutral.
Yeah.
Natural. Neutral.
I'm going to move on from this foundation. I'm going to do another foundation. I'm going to mix that with the Ready Set Gorgeous foundation, which I kind of like, but like I'm almost running out of, and I literally have no foundations right now.
We both had the Tarte Shape Tape.
So it's like a big applicator. Oh, it looks pretty good. Looks like my color. A special appearance. Who is it?
Me. So I'm going to try the highlight and contour palette that my sister got me. Actually, wait. I need to put powder on first.
Okay. I'm going to take this Boing concealer and just conceal some stuff.
I'm going to take this CoverGirl powder that isn't very good, but I have to use it.
For some heavy duty concealer, I'm going to take IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye.
Now I blend it in.
And then with this stuff, like, it's really sticky and thick, so I just dab it in with this brush.
Thick with 2 Qs.
So I am gonna bake. Oh, just gonna dip it in there.
Okay, now I'm gonna use the contour and highlight thing.
So I'm gonna go in with this cream contour and highlight palette from Shanny Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take these 2 dark colors, like right here. Whatever my brush goes to is the one that I'm gonna use. So. And then I'm just gonna make like a line right there like that.
I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use medium chisel. Oh, that's pigmented.
So next, I'm gonna do Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. Take this Real Techniques brush and dip it into medium cocoa.
I'm going to take my new Morphe brushes. One of them, they're all in packaging still. This one. I'm gonna use brown medium chisel again.
So I'm just gonna go into my eyes now and just keep that bake on, you know.
Okay, so I'm going in with the e.l.f. Elsa palette that I've had since like 3rd grade. But literally all I use is the highlight, and look at it.
Dang, they can't really see
It's
that.
definitely a pan. #1 highlight.
So here is this morning palette.
I got it for her.
So it has all these boys' names. To start the base, I'm going to take cream from the Lorac Pro palette and just put that all over my eyelid.
Okay, so I have the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit.
To start off, I'm going to take this blending eyeshadow brush. And the first color I'm going to use is Maddox. This one right here. I'm just going to do that as like a crease transition shade. there's the start. So next I'm going to take this eye contour brush and I'm going to go in with a darker color, Jonah. This one right here. Start deepening my crease.
Okay, here are my brows.
So now going darker, Mace.
Bad brows.
So this burnt orangey red color right there. I'm gonna take Mace.
Okay. I also got a Morphe palette too. I got 350 Nature Glow. Ooh, rhyming.
So I'm going to take this Sigma blending brush, medium angle shading E70 brush, and I'm just going to blend this more.
Okay, so in the Profusion Cosmetic Eyes 8 shade eyeshadow palette that Lily got me, I'm going to use the color Relaxed. I'm going to use one of my Morphe brushes, this one. Actually, first I'm going to use the color Refresh. It's like a white color.
I haven't done a cut crease in a while, so this is going to take a second. It up even more, and this color is calling my name, Liam. So Liam is even a darker shade of that like orangey burnt red. It's really good. Whoa. Oh yeah.
We're kind of doing the same kind of color scheme.
Okay, and then I'm actually going to blend that color out with a little darker color. So I'm gonna take, there's Alexander up here.
Alexander Hamilton. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Cafe. I'm gonna use this rounder brush.
Okay, so I think that's good for now. I might darken it up a little later, but I'm going to cut the crease right now. I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape and put a little bit on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna take this brush, which is the Real Techniques Detailer brush, just like a small rounded brush. And then just carve out my eyelid.
Okay, I think I'm gonna cut my crease too. And I'm just gonna use this angled brush in my Tarte Shape Tape.
So I'm just gonna darken up my cut crease now. So I think that's good enough for now. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I took the Shape Tape, and the Lorac Pro palette has like this really good white color. So I'm gonna take that white color and I'm just going to put it over top.
I'm gonna use this packing brush. I'm gonna use the color up front and pack that on.
I'm going to take the bake off my face now.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with Cafe again. Make it a little bit darker.
I'm gonna do my eyebrows next. Just dye my eyebrows, so I just fill them in with powder. And this, I don't even know what brand this is. I've had it since I began this YouTube channel.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with the color Pop. It's like rosy. Pack that on to the cut crease.
Great Lash Clear Mascara, and just set that.
I'm gonna use the color Clear in my inner corner. Okay, I'm gonna do something underneath my eyes. I think I'm gonna go in with Wannabe.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my under eyes. I'm gonna start with this color. I don't know, I used it before.
Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Cafe again under my eyes.
And then I'm gonna do, I think that was Liam, yeah. And then the inner corner, I'm just gonna do Virgin from the Naked palette.
I think I'm gonna do a wing, but I haven't done one in a while, so.
I think I'm gonna do a wing too.
This is bad. Can I use yours?
No.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Let me get my eyelash curler.
There's one wing.
I'm gonna do my mascara with the Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, done with the eyes. Now lipstick. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Lingerie matte lipstick in the shade Lipply 03. And then I have a lip gloss that I might like put over it to make it like shiny. It is the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. I'm new. And it's in the shade 01 Behind the Scenes.
Just gonna do some Lash Paradise.
I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then put on lip gloss. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lip gloss on.
Okay, so highlights. I don't know which highlight I'm gonna use. Probably the same old one that I use, which is the cheapest one I have. Revolution Vivid Bake Highlighter Powder in Radiant Lights. Next, I gotta do my lips, so I'm gonna take, this is just the Magical Halo lip pencils that came with a bunch of them. Use one of these Clinique ones that I got like last Christmas. I think I want to use the lightest one. Beige Pop.
I'm gonna use this MAC setting spray. Can I?
Yeah. Use Bear Pop instead. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish my look off. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Undressed.
Ooh, Anastasia. Oh yeah, I got the Sultry palette.
And now I'm done. Okay. Concludes our video. Thank you guys for watching. Like,
Subscribe, comment. Whoa.
There's gonna be more videos coming up soon that I'm really excited about, and I can't wait. I hope you guys have a great day, and see you in my next video.
Bye.
Peace out. Bye.
Chinchilla.